Do you know what we're unboxing?
What?
What does it look like?
A box.
Oh my gosh. I mean, he wasn't wrong, but a better answer would have been that we are unboxing the 1229 watt hour Anker 757 portable power station. This is a sponsored video, a paid sponsored video. The very best kind of paid sponsored video, in my humble opinion, because without Anker reaching out about this promotion, I never would have come up with and built this really cool project that I'm actually really excited to share with you and looking forward to using. So here we go.
Oh my gosh, this is so satisfying. Daddy, this is so satisfying.
All right, so Lincoln, so to show off what this can do, what I was thinking was I'd do a build outside and run all the tools off the battery, but I need an idea for something to build outside. Do you have any ideas for what I should build? What do you think I should build?
How about a robot?
A robot. Always with the robots. As tempting as that was, I have to give my wife credit with giving me the nudge that actually pointed me towards the outdoor theater project that I ended up building. We've had people over several times with the outdoor movie playing for the kids, which is really great, but it's dark outside, the kids are running around, they trip over the cord that runs power to everything, so that always is nerve-wracking, and I worry about them knocking over expensive electronics. Having the battery run the projector and having all the cords contained in one unit is a lot better, so the battery really adds a lot of value, and I think we'll do this more often having put this together. It's also a good challenge for the battery because the bulb in the projector consumes a lot of power, so I did want to test it out before doing the build. That's the setup that I'm working on here. The output of the 757 is 1500 watts, which for context is almost as much as you can get from a 15 amp circuit in your house. So it didn't have any trouble simultaneously powering the projector and speakers while keeping the laptop charged. And Lincoln and his sleepover buddy had a fun time watching this movie. After finishing the whole movie, we've got 46% left. Not too bad.
Do you have a little bit more time to relax?
Nope. Time to go in.
Yay!
With that successful test run complete, it's time to build the portable outdoor theater unit. I'm running the tools off the Anker 757 again to show its impressive capacity. So if you want to run some tools, do a project on a camping trip or something like that, I'm confident this would have you covered. Also, doing an outdoor build was really nice right now because my shop is a total disaster. And while I'm completing the build, there are just a couple more points that Anker wants me to tell you about. This unit recharges from 0 to 80% in 1 hour, and the batteries in the unit are the same grade as those in electric vehicles, specifically lithium iron phosphate batteries. That's important because they can be cycled 3,000 times instead of the 500 cycles that normally kills regular lithium-ion batteries that you're familiar with. And they back that up with a 5-year warranty, so you can be confident that your investment will go a long way. There are also 2 smaller models if the 757 is more than you need. I know some people will want plans for this theater cart that I'm building, but honestly, it's so simple. If you just work from these key dimensions, keeping in mind that your speakers and projector might be a little bit different than what I purchased, and just designing the rest of the dimensions to a close aesthetic match with what you're seeing me build, you should come out just fine. All right, the cart is done. Let's check the battery after using 2 angle grinders, circular saw, reciprocating saw, sander, and charging the computer the whole time because I was referring to the 3D model. Still have 65% of its charge. Pretty impressive. There's an archived live stream covering the final assembly and cable management and a bit of inside baseball available to channel members. And there's a link in the description describing how to sign up for that if you're interested. Also, there's, of course, a link to the Anchor 757 if you want to check that out. How cool is that? I foresee many a fun gathering happening with kids entertained by this theater system while adults hang out. Thank you, Anchor, for trusting me to represent your brand. And thanks to everyone watching for following along. Hope you like this one, and I'll catch you next time.